It's 33 degrees and y'all want to know how to warm up a Chevy, just keep it in third gear doing 4,500 RPM. It'll hold it. A lot of people wonder about these LS's, but I don't. Got 200,000 miles. The thing ain't building no oil pressure at idle. But it'll sit here all day long. Yeah, the lifters might be bad. You might have this, you might have that. The only reason why I slow down is traffic. Gotta go until she blow. There y'all. Well, traffic and red lights. Y'all know. Hey, let's try second. Yeah, second gear is a little bit better. Get it up there faster. Just fooling y'all. Y'all don't do that to your trucks. Shout out to Corey. I need my engine swap done as soon as you can, because this one ain't gonna last.